Eh bakit siya magtatago? Oh, hindi po siya nagtatago, nag-assert siya sa kanyang individual rights, human rights as a Filipino citizen. Kasi nga po, yung executive department through the NBI is hell-bent in arresting him even if there is no Philippine recognized warrant of arrest or Philippine issued warrant of arrest. So, kaya nga po, how would he be able to protect his rights kung magpadakip siya at dalhin siya doon sa Netherlands? Oh. Ang ibig ba nila sabihin, nandun siya sa Senado, tapos paglabas niya, magpadakip siya, tapos doon na lang kami mag-assert ng kanyang human rights kung nandun na siya sa Netherlands? Hindi po tama yun. Kasi nga po, person's liberty na yan and possibly life is involved. So therefore, when a person's liberty is already at stake, it is actually now doctrine of self-help. He has to protect himself. Kasi the first rule of human being is what? Self-preservation. Self-preservation yan. Kasi kung magpadakip siya, dadalhin siya doon sa Netherlands, pareho na kami. Ngayon, mahihirapan kami pag-assert dito sa Pilipinas kasi ibang bansa na yun eh. Wala naman tayong Hague Invasion Act. At saka meron, maski, yung Hague Invasion Act? Oh, yun. Yung Hague Invasion Act, pareho yan sa Amerika. Yung Hague Invasion, kung merong tao na dadakpin, kung American ka or any American allies, no? Dadakpin ng ICC or any foreign court, no? Without respecting the US laws. Pwede mag-organisa yung presidente at invade yung para to extract him. Meron silang batas. Wala naman tayo. At saka kung meron din tayo, ano bang kakayahan natin ipag-gira doon sa Netherlands? So, siguro mga wakwak padala natin doon, no? Maski mga wakwak siguro dalhin natin doon. Yung mga
Attorney, may sinasabi po si Attorney Topacio.
Iba? Ay, padala si Matibag doon. Matitibag siya doon. Mahirap po yun. That's why self-preservation yun, while at the same time preserving his right also under Philippine laws in order that his rights would be protected via judicial remedies. And meron kami ngayon, yun nga sa Korte Suprema na pending. And I hope and pray really on bended knees that the Supreme Court would grant our prayers. Kasi nga po, individual liberty. What if mangyari ito sa inyo in the future? Mangyari sa inyo, merong foreign warrant. Maghahanap kayo ng mga kagaya ni Attorney Israelito Turyon, Attorney Jimmy Bundok, Attorney Topacio, para dipinsahan ng mga karapatan ninyo. Kasi delikado ito, foreign warrant. Idiretso mo lang implementa as if it is a Philippine court-issued warrant. Kalukuhan talaga eh. Hindi nyo nakikita. What if mama nyo, papa nyo, may isyuhan ng foreign warrant? Diretso lang i-implementa. Payag kayo? Bakit? Kailan ba tayo naging tuta ng ICC? Kailan ba tayo naging tuta ng mga dayuhan? We precisely enshrined the Bill of Rights in the 1987 Constitution in order to stop, no? In order to at least, no, prevent government excesses. Between the leviathan of a government power and the individual, the Bill of Rights is our shield. Leviathan is that monster with maraming mga ulo. That is the governmental power, which is now trained against Senator De La Rosa. What is its shield? Bill of Rights. And that is why we as lawyers have to invoke our Bill of Rights, because it is the only shield remaining to protect Senator Bato De La Rosa.